It's a good day to train Toto, the Chihuahua K9. Walking exercise tayo guys. This is to drain his overwhelming energy. Yung focus niya sa handler, as you can see, nadidistract pa siya sa mga bago niyang nakikita. At syempre, para ma-avoid pa rin na magkaroon siya ng toy dog syndrome. Hindi natin siya binubuhat o binibaby o ini-spoil. It's his first time magpa-groom. Apparently, Happy Paw is not accepting puppies for the full grooming package. Dahil usually sobrang kulit pa ng ganitong edad. Pero sinabi ko lang na may obedience training si Toto. Kailangan din kasi ni Toto yung ganitong socialization experiences for his mental nourishment. O, di ba? One happy dog. See you on our next adventure with Toto, the Chihuahua K9.